I was sent this adjustable computer workstation to try out. So let's set it up. So anytime I put anything together, I like to lay it all out. I take out all of my parts, kind of organize them. They had a bag of all of the bolts, and then they had an included Allen wrench. So I make sure everything is together. The first step is putting on the caster wheels. So you'll notice the two back ones actually have locks, which is nice. So you can just, lock it if you don't want it to move around. So I'm going to put all of the caster wheels on first. You put them on, and then there's a little wrench that you tighten everything down. The next step is where I'm going to put a little support into the base there, and then I'll put the two main arms on it. So the main arms, it has the mechanism that allows it to go up and down, and it's also what's going to support the desk area. Okay, I have the lower shelf on. Now I'm supposed to put B5, so I'm going to put the center supports in. So, let's put that right here. It's like it goes here. Okay, so I'm going to need A2. I've got these supports on. Now we're going to start putting on some of the shelves. So this one's going to go here. I'm looking for B6 and B7. And I'm still going to, now I'm using A3 for this one. Okay, so I'll find that. These are the only two A3 bolts. So these are the ones I need, and they're going to go right here. So I'm looking for, there's B6. These are designed a little bit longer. You can see this sits right in there. It's already pre-cut out. So these are a little bit longer because of that area. Tighten those down. Now I'm ready for B7. I'm back to A2, and then I'm going to put B9 on also with A2. Okay, I mounted these wrong. So these are actually supposed to go that way. So I need to change those out. You see how this one comes this way, and this one, they're supposed to go backwards. So I need to change those out. Okay, this one is B7 and this one is B9. So I'm supposed to do B7 first. So let's do that one. Okay, here it is all put together. The wheels do lock, so if you want to do that, that way you don't have it rolling around, but you can lock them or unlock them, which is great. I have multi-level, so I could have monitors up here, work down here, and then I even have 2 shelves, so I have additional storage here. So let me show you how to raise it and lower it. So in this one, you unscrew this and then the whole thing, put your foot here, and then it raises up until you hear a click. And then you can just screw them down. There is a maximum line. See if we can find it. Okay, that goes up quite high. I don't know that you'd want to be much higher than that. So I'm 5'10", and this is like crazy tall. So I'm not really sure you would need it this tall, but obviously it is adjustable, so you can do however, whatever you're working on. You know, it could be really tall. If you want to lift it up, you unscrew these knobs and you can just incrementally lift it up until it gets to the max. And then once it's at its max, then you can lower it all the way down. So there we go. This is a nice big workstation, lots of storage, all of the screws lined up perfectly, super easy to put together. I would highly recommend it. Check it out.